Hello everyone, thank you so much again for joining in. This is Dylan from the TriniGardener channel and I'm so excited for this video. This is going to be a harvest video, harvesting some heirloom tomatoes which you all have seen or you should have seen in my heirloom tomato garden tour. Alright, so stay tuned and let's pick some nice juicy heirloom tomatoes. Right, so this is sort of what can happen, right? Especially when you have some a lot of rain and then this dry weather, the trees just can't take the stress, so the tree actually dies, but it leaves the fruit fairly untouched. The tree actually takes all the nutrients from the itself and just gives it to the tomatoes. That way it'll ensure that the seeds from the fruit live on and the genus, the species of the tomato will survive. Okay, there we go. And because of how this dried and it really well matured on the vine itself, these seeds will actually be really good for setting and planting new tomatoes like this. Although I don't know if I'll plant this variety again. It's good, it's delicious. It's just that I felt like it could do a little better. Focus. There we go. Alright, there's a lot of wind now. Okay, gonna get some white cherry tomato. Right, these are really ripe, just falling off the vine. Right, even if they look a little bit green, they are fairly ripe. Right, these are just super ripe. Oh, there we go. Oop. And it's important to pick your ripe ones, or at least protect them, because birds will come and help you pick them if you don't pick them in time. Right. Up. I mean, I know I've showed you how tall this tree is, but it really, I don't think the camera ever does full justice to how tall this tree is. It's just so huge to the very top, and its tomatoes even up there, crazy. Yeah. Right, some black vernissage. Right, you remember this from my garden tour, right? It's good to grow a different variety of tomatoes. There's just so many good varieties. Like, why not try them all? And I'm sure you're gonna find one that you like. Right, up. Okay, so these need some time. Saving these as seeds. I'm not gonna pick them. All right, let me just see if there's any others on the other side here. Big boy, so nice, so nice. This one will be at least 3/4 pounds there. Right, so these bugs, I'm not sure what they are about. If anyone knows, you can let me know. They haven't been doing any damage as far as I can see. The fruit is fine, don't know, but let me know. Are they beneficial? Are they dangerous? If you have some insight, let me know. Okay, these are the real black vernissage. This is what the black vernissage is really supposed to look like. Right, that dark red color with the green stripes on it. So nice. Right, and I think we have some ripe cherries inside here just hiding from me. Right, it's good when they are hiding from you, because that means it's going to be harder for the birds to get at them. So this tree didn't do as well as the other, but yeah, still works. Still getting nice fruit from it. And if I had some salt in my hand right now, I'd be dipping and enjoying some of these tomatoes. Up. I think there we go. Yeah, so you have some more to pick, but I'll leave them for now. Yeah. Right, little harvest in such a tiny space, just 3 by 7, something like that. Tiny space. So many nice tomatoes. How much do you think these tomatoes would cost you if you went into the supermarket or even to the just normal market? Let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, this is TriniGardener reminding you to get up and get growing. Take care.